Next, we are starting a new chapter, that is functions. Now, before going to functions, first of all, what is a relation? Relation is nothing but it's a set of ordered pairs, something like 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 16. This is a relation. Now, a relation is said to be a function when every element has an image. Let us say A and B are two sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Now, in set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In set B we have A, B, C, D. Let us say 1 is mapped to A, 2 is mapped to B, 3 is mapped to C, 4 is mapped to D. Every element of set A should have an image in set B, and that image has to be unique. For example, two elements can be mapped to a same number in set B, but one element cannot have two images. That is the definition of a function. For example, let us say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. All the elements can have same image, but one element cannot have two images like this, 1 comma A, 1 comma B, then it is not a function. If one element has two images, then it is not a function. Two elements can have same image, but one element cannot have two different images. So that is said to be a function. Let us consider a relation f of x is equal to, let us consider a relation f of x is equal to x square. Put 1 here, you will get 1, put 2 here, you will get 4, put 3 here, you will get 9, put 4 here, you will get 16. So here, if you define two sets A and B, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, here you have 1, 4, 9, 16. So this is a function from A to B. So that's about this definition of function. Let us discuss some problems based on functions. Before that, let us see what is the definition of function. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets and F be a relation from A to B. Relation means a set of ordered pairs. If for each element A belongs to A, there exists a unique element B belongs to B, such that A comma B belongs to F, then F is a function or a mapping from A to B. It is denoted by F maps A to B. Whenever you have a function between two sets, you can write it as F maps A to B. The set A, this first set is called domain set, the second set is called codomain set of F. So that is about the functions. Let us discuss some problems based on functions. Let us discuss the first problem in functions. You have f of x is equal to, is a function defined by x plus 2 when x is greater than 1, 2 when x lies between minus 1 to 1, x minus 1 when x lies between minus 3 to minus 1. Now, what is f of 3? F of 3 will be equal to, it is 3 is greater than 1, so we have f of x is equal to x plus 2 when x is greater than 1. F of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. Next, f of 0. F of x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 2 when x lies between minus 1 to 1. So f of 0 is also equal to 2 because 0 lies in the interval minus 1 to 1. Next, f of minus 1.5. that will be between minus 3 and minus 1. F of x is equal to x minus 1 when minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. F of minus 1.5 is minus 1.5 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2.5. That's about f of minus 1.5. Next, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. F of 2, f of x is equal to x plus 2 when x is greater than 1. F of 2 will be 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. F of x is equal to x minus 1 when x lies between minus 3 and minus 1. F of minus 2 is minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. So, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Next, f of minus 5 is not defined because we didn't define f of minus 5 is not defined here, because here the limits are minus 1 to 1, minus 3 to minus 1, x is greater than 1. So, f of minus 5 is not defined. In our second question, we have f maps r minus 0 to r is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. So, here what is given? Given f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. F of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. So, this is nothing but 1 by x cube minus x cube by 1. This is equal to 1 by x cube minus x cube. F of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by f of 1 by x will be plus 1 by x cube minus x cube plus x cube minus x cube cancel, minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube cancel, you have 0. So, that's about this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. If f maps R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, then show that f of tan theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now, here what is given? F of x is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and show that f of tan theta is equal to cos 2 theta. First of all, take what is given. given f of x is equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, f of tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta is 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. So here you have cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta cancel. You have cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. That's about this problem. We shall discuss the next problem. This is the next problem. F is a function from r divided by plus or minus 1 to r is defined by f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x by log of 1 minus x. Show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 into f of x. Now f is a function which is defined from r plus or minus 1 to r. F of x is equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. F of 2x by 1 plus x square. F of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to log of 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Plus x square. So that will be equal to log of 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. This is log of x plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 or 1 minus x whole square. If you take the common power, you have log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Bring this 2 down, you have 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is what? F of x. So that will be 2 into f of x, which is equal to RHS. That's about this problem. We shall continue your next problem in the next session.